Hi! Hello, and welcome to the Daily Almanac for March 8th. So, let's get started. This day in history! On this day in history, March 8th, 1841, Oliver Wendell Holmes Jr. was born in Boston. He was appointed to the United States Supreme Court by President Theodore Roosevelt in 1902. He served on the court for 30 years and is considered one of the most influential justices in the court's history. Also, on this day in 1884, Susan B. Anthony addressed the Judiciary Committee of the House of Representatives. Anthony argued for an amendment to the U.S. Constitution granting women the right to vote. But it wasn't until 1920 that the amendment was passed. It was nicknamed the Anthony Amendment. And on this day in 1902, Tom Blake was born. He developed the hollow core surfboard in 1926. It became standard rescue equipment in California's early lifeguard corps. In the 1930s, he invented surfboard fins. Before this, a surfer had to use his back foot to make the board turn. Today on Word Power, we're going to talk about the saying, "Don't count your chickens before they hatch." If someone tells you, "Don't count your chickens before they hatch," they mean that you shouldn't expect to make money or get something before you've done anything to deserve it. The saying comes from the Aesop fable about a woman going to market to sell her eggs. She gets carried away thinking about what she'll be able to buy after she sells her eggs. And because she isn't paying attention, she accidentally drops the egg basket and breaks all of those eggs. Extremes. Today on Extremes, we ask, what is the longest bone in the human body? The answer is the femur, which is the bone in your thigh. The femur is longer than the other 205 bones in your body. The femoral artery, the largest artery in the human body, runs along the femur carrying blood from your heart to your legs and feet. It's one of the reasons that it's so dangerous to break the femur bone, because if the femoral artery is damaged, it can cause serious problems. Health tips. Your circulatory system is made up of your heart, blood, and the blood vessels through which the blood flows. Altogether, you have over 60,000 miles of blood vessels, or over 96,550 kilometers. The health of your body depends on the regular flow of blood. And blood is made up of many nutrients, especially water. So be sure you drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every single day. Do you like to cook? The next time your mom and dad are making dinner, ask if you can help out and then teach your parents how to be earth-friendly cooks. If you need to boil a pot of water, put a lid on it first. The water will heat up faster and it'll use less electricity or gas. Also, make sure that the size of the pot is the same size as the burner it's on. If you have a small pot on a big burner, the heat from the outer part of the burner is just wasted. Tell your parents that being an earth-friendly cook is not only a good way to take care of the planet, but it will also help save money, too. Well, that's all the time we have left today for Daily Almanac. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you tomorrow.